Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cool App Store. So first of all, we will open the App Store. We will write App Store in the search bar, then we will open the App Store. After this, we will click on the search button. Now we will type anything like editor tools, editing apps, or just editor. Then all the suggestions will pop up in the suggestions. Now we will tap on the search icon. Then you can see there are so many results for the editing tools. So today we will discuss Photoshop Express photo editor. So you can download or install the app through this iCloud option or the get button. You can share it on other social apps and with the other people through this arrow. Now you can see the header. There are a lot of things, the rating, the age restriction, and many more things, and the reviews as well. Now you can see the version history 2.22 point something, 21 something. Now we will see the what's new, that what other features are here, about the content, discover feed, collage, edit. You can see the subscriptions as well, the premium yearly package. Now you can see the preview. Here you can see the makeup transfers, filter library, makes something stunning for making the stunning transformation. You can see the eye correction, you can see the multiple object selection, you can see the creative collage, retouch selfies, custom stickers, advanced healing. Now you can see different other detail about all these features, that you can Photoshop Express delivers a full section of the photo effects. You can detecting and masking objects, you can makeup transfer, you can photo filters and effect, and there are a lot of things in this feature. You can retouch your photo and you can read the description from this section. You can use stunning photos collages, you can add borders and text as well, and you can quick fix it. You can apply blur feature as well, and you can remove nose, perspective correction. Now save as png. There is also a png fact. You can read the terms and condition, you can read the honest reviews, you can see the 4.6 reviews out of 5, and you can see the information related to this app, and you can see the more by Adobe. So this is the video.